Good evening children, again I welcome all of you for my second lesson of fractions, right? So in these lessons you are going to uh, learn about comparisons of fractions, right? You are going to compare fractions. So you can compare pairs, or you can compare that if you are given more fractions you can compare. Before that compare or fractions that you need to learn about two symbols used in max, which is greater than, less than, right? So here you can see, if it is like open way we call that is greater than, and if it is like like this way, the angle is like this way, for the first number we call less than. So how to use it? Now consider, if we consider 3 and 2, actually the first number is greater than second number, so you need to put this one. Then how to say that 3 is greater than 2? Okay children, and if we consider like this 10 and 20, so if you consider the first number you can see that is less than 20, so you can put like this corner side is coming to the first number. Then how to say that one? 10 is less than 20. Okay children, right? So you are given not the whole numbers, you are given fraction. So how do you that compare of these fractions? So in this that first set you realize that denominators of the given two fractions are equal. 4 11s, 7 11s. So you can see 11 11 here. So denominator is equal. If the given fraction, the denominator is equal, look at the numerators and compare. Don't consider about now. If the first one you can see that 11 11 denominator is equal. So directly that look at the numerators. If you that think 4 and 7, 4 is less than. So 4 over 11s less than 7 over 11s or 11s, right? Like that. Now consider about this one. In this one, the fraction we call 3 12s and 1 12s, right? So the 12 is equal of the both fractions, right? So if you consider 3 1, 3 is greater than, then you can put like this: 3 12s greater than 1 12s. This is wrong children. So 4 is less than 7, then you need to put like this, right? Then if you look at the last one, 4 sevens and 3 sevens. Of that two that pairs of fractions also, 7 is the denominator, which is equal. So look at the first that numerators, only numerators look at. So 4 is greater than 3. Then you can put like this symbol. So we call 4 sevens is greater than 3 sevens. So this is the first type. If the given fraction, the denominators are equals, you should or you must look at the numerator only and you need to compare, and you can put these marks. Okay, you can put these marks or symbols, right? I think you realize that first type, right? Let's go to the second type. Look at these numbers. Right now, second group, right? If you look at these fraction, first one, that the second one and third one also, you can see numerators are equal, numerators are equal, denominators are different, right? So that upper side number is equal, but that denominator is different. So at that time Look at this one. How do we compare? The smaller denominator having fraction become the greater one. Let's go to the long division. 5 divided by 2. So there are two tools. So 2 into 2 is 4, 1 is balance. So if you keep a decimal point for the 10, how many tools are there? 5. 5 into 2 is 10, right? So I am teaching this one. So let's go to the second one. 5 divided by 3. Then how many 3's are there for 5? So 1. 1 into 3 is 3. What is the balance? 2. We can keep a decimal point and 20, or putting 0 we can write 20. For the 20, how many 3's are there? 8. 6. 6 into 3 is 18. Another remain will come. You can put a 0 and you can continue division. But look at this one. Here 2.5, here 1.6, right? So if you look at this one, this has become greater, and the here bigger number having fraction has become the lesser one or less one, right? So that given fractions, if the numerator is equal, look at the denominators, and the smaller number having fraction become the greater one, then you need to put like this. Then 5 seconds is greater than 5 thirds. According to that method, if you look at this one, that numerator is equal. If you look at the denominator, greater one, this 7. This is the smaller one, less one. But this become the greater one. So you need to put like this by looking at only the denominator. And if you go to the last one, you can see numerator is equal. And if you look at the denominator, 5 is greater than. That become the less one. Then you can put like this, right? The bigger denominator having fraction become the greater, that is smaller one. Here look at this one. 5 is greater than 3. But if we divide this one, this become the greater one. I think you realize. Like that, if the numerators are equal of the given fraction, look at the denominators only. That greater denominator, or that on the other hand, if we call the smaller denominator having fraction become the greater one. Thinking like that, you put this mark, you can realize if you look at that long division. Okay children, I think you realize this lesson. So from my fractions lesson 3, let's go to the other rest of the lessons. Right children? Okay, goodbye.